No one has ever claimed that long-distance relationships are simple, but it also doesn't mean that your relationship has to end because of the distance. Long-distance relationships can potentially be more stable than geographically close partnerships with the correct dedication and communication. 1. Keep in touch. It's crucial to create and preserve an emotional connection as frequently as you can because you won't be seeing each other in person. Long-distance relationships can involve many lengthy, in-depth chats, which is one of their advantages. Your conversations don't have to be like this, though. Regular contact, no matter how insignificant, will demonstrate your concern for the relationship, and make it simpler to stay current on each other's lives. 2. Talk about unimportant details. Do not feel that every chat must include an in-depth discussion of your relationship, aspirations, or dreams. Instead, concentrate on the little activities that married couples would do together, like going grocery shopping, doing housework, or renovating. This creates the impression that you two are building a house together, something to look forward to. 3. Visit frequently. Try to visit each other as frequently as you can or as often as your money will allow. At every chance, you ought to see each other in person. Create a routine for your visits, or at the very least start planning for the next one as soon as the current one is over. Face-to-face communication is equally as crucial to a happy, committed, and trustworthy relationship. 4. Learn about one another. You should take your time getting to know and understand your partner, just like in any other relationship. When you converse, make a note of your partner's favorite interests and conduct some study on them so you have additional topics to discuss. 5. Keep in mind that your spouse is a person. Distance can make a relationship more romantic, but it can also cause you to idealize your spouse. Extreme idealization, thinking your partner is perfect, can make your relationship stable, but it can also make it more difficult to get back together with the real person. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.